Hey, welcome to my channel. It's good to see you again. My name is Javier Mason. Today doing a little bit of stretching, walking a little bit with some company back there.
Hi.
My son. Okay, have this ever happened to you? That you get really excited about something, about a project that you came across, and you bring it to your family, to your friends, to your partners, and you end up with a cold water bucket. Have this ever happened to you? Because they say, nah, that doesn't work. One of those things. Once again, didn't you fail last time? You lost a lot of money and you're still dreaming of those things? Have this ever happened to you? Let me tell you this. It doesn't matter how many times you fail. That's a learning experience that will bring you to the next level. So my advice to you is, do not wait for other people's approval. It's not the result. Forget about it. Forget about that. Because if when you're sharing the experience, the people is able to understand your vision, it is not big enough. It's not big enough. So just start worrying when you share your vision. People start saying it and approving it and saying, hey, that looks like a good idea. It's not big enough. So stop wasting those chances. Stop paying attention to those discouragements and move forward. You can do it. In these opportunities, either you fail or you learn. You never lose. Or you win or you learn. You never lose. So that's what I wanted to share with you today in a brief video. So stop paying attention and do not wait for other people's approval, because it's not your vision. It's not their vision. It's your vision. So move forward, go for it, and believe in yourself. It was nice talking to you. My name is Javier Mason. Hope to see you again on my next video. Bless.